Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you are new here. I hope you're doing well. So today's video I'm going to dive into another palette from Jaclyn Hill's Vault collection, which she did with Morphe. I'm going to use the Armed and Dangerous palette, which is just like yellow and orange tones. It's got some shimmers in there as well. I'm going to try and do a sunset look. I'm not sure if it will go well, but I'm going to try it anyway. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So if you'd like to see what the look turns out, then please just keep on watching. So I'm just going to take this second colour, and it's called Excess, and I'm just going to run that through my crease and bring it up just a little bit higher. Pretty colour. I'll bring it a little bit higher. Now I'm just going to take a bit of Secure and just going to run it into my crease and just a little bit lower than the end of the yellow. So I hope you can see kind of like this is like the orangey colour called Secure, and then above it is the Access yellow. I'm just going to take a bit more Access and just blend the top of the colour. Just make it a little bit more brighter. And then bring it down. Super cute colours. To kind of warmth the crease up, I might go in with a little bit of Prowl. It's kind of like a brown, but I think there might be a little bit orange in there. So just going to take a little bit of the Prowl and place it into my crease just to darken it up a little. Right, I'm just going to blend that Prowl out now. Just going to take a bit of the Success again just to blend the Prowl in. So it's just going to go above that and just kind of blend it all in together. You don't want like a harsh line. Now I'm going to take a bit of Gilt Trip and I'm just going to wet the brush and put it all over my lid. Wow, that Gilt Trick looks so pretty. I really like that. Now that I've got the lid done, which is absolutely stunning, I'm going to focus on my lower lash line. So I'm going to take a bit of Access first, and I'm going to run it across all of my under eye. I have got mascara on because I obviously have been, this is what I wore during the day, just mascara and foundation and a bit of contour and highlighter. So now that I've got that under, I'm just going to take a bit of the Success and just bring it halfway and blend it in. Now that I got success on, I'm just going to take a bit of Prowl and I'm just going to blend it into the outer corner of my lower lash. I don't want it too harsh. I just want a little bit. Now that eye is done, I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. I love these colours together. They blended out so well. I think she did an amazing job of putting the colours together in the palettes. You could just take a palette and go and make a whole look out of it. I think she did absolutely amazing. So I'm going to go and finish the other eye and come back. I'm not sure if I want to put a bit of eyeliner with it or not. I might come back with eyeliner on. But I'll be back with you in a minute, guys. I've just finished doing my other eye and I applied a bit of eyeliner onto the look as well, and it's absolutely beautiful. I don't think I've ever done an eye look like this before. I think it's absolutely amazing. The colours are so pigmented and beautiful. Like, that was so easy to blend in together. Amazing. I absolutely love this palette. I'll definitely be using it again. I did use a little bit of VIP in the corners of my eyes and on my brow bone just to give it a little bit of a pop. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you'd like to see any other videos or any other palettes of this collection that you'd like me to do a video on. Come and subscribe to my channels and hit the notification bell just to be notified about any future videos that I do. Also follow me on Instagram. I'll have my name across here and also I'll have it linked in the description box for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye guys.